All right, let's see if we could do this. So if we have this x equals -6, all we're doing is plugging this in to all the x's. So the easiest way to probably do this is to maybe combine and simplify. But if that confuses you and all you know to plug in, so we'll just plug it in then. That way you can see where all the -6 are going, right? And make sure you use parentheses to keep you nice and organized. So 2 times -6 is just -12. 3 times -6 is -18. -4 times -6 is positive 24. Negative times a negative is just positive 3. 6 divided by 2. So now you have here, right, a negative. And I'm just use this one because that's easier to do. So then I have 24 minus 12 is just positive 12 minus, let's do 18 and 3, so minus 15. So then here it's going to be -3. And it should be -3. Now, let's do this. The next one. Now this can be a little tricky, but n plus n, so it's saying this whole thing is going to replace this. So n plus n is equal to 12. So 12 is going to go inside here and replace it. Right? That is what's going to happen. Now let's write it down. So I'm going to use brackets. So 12, right, over 6. The parentheses and squared plus 2 times, right, I'm use brackets, 12. So brackets is just the same as parentheses. It's just a little way to differentiate. So now what we have here is always work with the inside first. Always work with the inside first. 12 divided by 6, right? It's just 2. We square that. 2 times 12 is 24. 2 squared is 2 times 2, right? Which is just 4. Plus 24. Final answer, 28. B. Now let's see. So 22 is the same concept, And let me just pick a different color. So again, x plus 10, sorry, x plus y is equal to 10. So everywhere I see an x plus y, I'm going to put a 10 in there. Okay, that's what's going to happen. So I'm just rewriting it, and I'm going to use brackets. X plus y, I'm replacing it with 10, minus x plus y over 2. So I have 10 over 2 plus x plus y is just 10 again, squared. And then I just simplify, right? So 2 times 10 is 20, minus 10 divided by 2 is 5, plus 10 times 10 is 100. 20 minus 5 is just 15, plus 100. Final answer, 115. My answer here is C. All right, moving on. Hopefully this is easy for you guys. It's just knowing when to plug and chug. So now here, x equals 4, it's going to go here. Y equals -3, it's going to go here. And that's all we're doing with these problems. So we have, right, parentheses, 4 plus 2 all over parentheses, it's -3 minus 2. What's 4 plus 2? 6. Negative 3 minus 2 is just negative 5. And that's your answer, right? But this has a negative in the middle, which is fine. All right, so that is how you do that one. Moving on. So here, we're just going to plug and chug, right? So here, we just plug in an x equals 3 to the x, y equals negative 1 to the y. So we plug it in, right? So we go 7 and then 3 minus 9 over negative 1. 7 times 3 is 21. Negative times a negative, or negative divided by a negative, it's just positive. 9 divided by 1 is 9. 21 plus 9 is 30. Final answer. D. And again, you do the same thing here, X equals 2 goes in here. Y equals negative 1 goes in here. Plug it in. So then we have 3 times 2 minus 4, negative 1, right? So 3 times 2 is 6. Negative times a negative is positive 4. 10 is your answer. D. All right. And that is how you do those problems. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Have a great day.